Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 20, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. Column C, we get 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we get 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column D, 9th row and 10th row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column D and 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Fifth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Ninth row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 will come in one of these cells. So 1 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Remaining numbers will confirm later. Column I, we 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. The ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column I, we have 2. 7th also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in any one of these cells. We confirm later. Column I and 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in any one of these cells. We confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in any one of these cells. We confirm later. 7th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, column G, we have 2. 9th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 6th grade, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 4. Column H, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 4th grade and 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade and column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 6. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 8th grade and 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. then 6 is here. Fourth row and second row we have 4, column E also we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Ninth row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Third row we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then third grade, column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6. Fourth row we have 2, 1, 6, so 2, 1, 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Second row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Then third row only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column E we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Second grade and fourth row 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 9, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. 10th row and 9th row we have 7, column G also we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column F we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column F we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column F 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 9th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then second grade and fourth row 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9, column G we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Then 8th row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, column G we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then 7th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 1, 9th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then 10th row 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, column G we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 8th grade and 9th row 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9, column G we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.